Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how we install iBoard running boards on our 2023 Jeep Wrangler. These running boards not only add style but also make getting in and out of your Jeep easier. So let's get started. Before we dive into the installation process, make sure you have necessary tools and materials ready. Open the iBoard running board kit and lay out all components. Ensure that you have all necessary parts listed in the installation instructions. To access the mounting points, you will need to jack up your Jeep slightly. Use proper jacking point and jack stand for safety. Locate the mounting point under your Jeep. Now it's time to install the brackets that came with your iBoard kit. Attach them to the mounting points you uncovered in the previous step and tighten the bolt for now. You might need to remove existing hardware or plastic cover to access them. Use your wrench and socket for this set. Lift the iBoard running board into position and align it with the brackets. Use the provided hardware and your torque wrench to secure the running board to the brackets. Make sure it's level and tight. Ensure both running boards are securely attached. Double check all the bolts and bracket to ensure they are tightened properly. This is crucial for your safety and the stability of the running boards.